Feeling fatigued and totally drained? Have you had your thyroid checked out only to be told by your doctor that everything is fine? Are you feeling frustrated because you simply can't figure out why you feel so exhausted all the time and you just want answers? Unfortunately, what most conventional trained doctors miss with energy issues is that the real reason you are feeling drained has nothing to do with the actual health of your thyroid gland. So when your standard blood tests come back fine, they send patients away with a vague explanation that it's just a sign of getting older. They may also prescribe antidepressants because they want to help but just don't know what to do. Oftentimes, patients may also be overmedicated when it comes to thyroid hormones, causing another layer of issues. Part of the reason they can't tell you why you are having energy issues is that they are not trained in advanced hormone testing, understanding hormonal pathways and cellular health, which all greatly impact your energy levels. A lot of patients come to see me in my practice because they are suffering from the same symptoms and haven't been able to find answers so far. What we discovered through advanced functional medicine testing is that there could be a range of reasons robbing them of energy and blocking their normal ability to feel rested and energized. While it may not be your thyroid gland that is the problem, that's why your standard blood tests check out normal. Oftentimes it's your thyroid pathways that are not responding well for a number of reasons. And here are 7 things that I normally see. 1, it could be that the brain thyroid connection is off, which impacts circulating levels of T3 and T4, the 2 key forms of thyroid hormones. Number 2, oral contraceptives and hormone replacement could be blocking or disrupting a pathway, and this is also true with high estrogen storage. Number 3, nutritional deficiencies may also be to blame. It's not like having the right fuel in the tank. Number 4, testosterone imbalances, even in women, especially low testosterone alone may cause fatigue and unexplained weight gain, particularly around the midsection and around the upper arms known as bat wings. Number 5, or it could be insulin resistance or polycystic ovarian syndrome. And this can impact how we get glucose into the cells for energy. Number 6, oftentimes it's the stress hormones that are out of whack, like high cortisol, which can also impact insulin and shut down digestive function and cause inflammation. All these factors can deplete energy. Number 7, and finally, it could be due to your thyroid hormone resistance because of your thyroid hormone receptors. As you can see, it's a complex situation and equation, and this is why it's important to work with a functional medicine practitioner who is skilled in the complex interplay of hormone and understanding your unique hormone challenges. So if you are still dealing with life-draining symptoms and not finding relief, it's crucial to take a more in-depth, complete look at why you don't feel like yourself and where the imbalances are. There are many ways to correct imbalances so you can regain your energy, lose weight, and feel rested. If you want to go deeper on how to restore your energy, register for our free video series, Stop Being Held Hostage by Your Hormones. Simply click the link next to this video.